The graph shown will be translated up 4 units. Which of the following will be the resulting graph? Translation means sliding it around. We can translate diagonal, we can go to the side, we can go this way. That's translating. There's also, I'm blanking on the words. I think transform. If that's wrong, I'll type it on the screen right here when I go to edit it. But there's a lot of different ways that you can change a graph. You can slide it around, left, right, up, down, what have you. You can reflect it across a line of reflection. This would look something like that. You can reflect it like across the XY. You can squish it or stretch it, so you make it narrower, make it wider. All these kind of fun things you can do, but translated just means do not change it, just slide it. So to slide it up 4 units, the easiest way to do that is start with the vertex, or just any point that is a definitive point of change, where it's changing direction. That's probably the easiest to do. The vertex is a great spot for a parabola, which is what we have here. So it's going to be going up 4 units. So we just go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So this translated graph, it's going to look like the parabola, because it is the same parabola, but it's just, I am never great at drawing parabolas on screens with styluses. Not my forte. So I didn't quite, I'm not quite doing that right, but now I'm slightly obsessed with trying to do it right. All right, that's good enough. There we go. Okay, so I've moved the parabola up 4. The vertex is now at 2, 2 instead of 2, -2. So I'm going to look at my answers, and I'm going to draw randomly on the screen, apparently, and we'll see which one of those has it. And just because this is so big, right off the bat, this looks like a contender over here in A, because the new vertex there is 2, 2, and it looks very similar to what I drew. B, it's actually gone down 1, 2, 3, 4. It is translated down 4. So that's not it. Let's see. C, it looks like it has been translated to the left 4. So it started here, the vertex, and I went 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's what happened there. And this one looks like, you guessed it, it's been translated to the right 4. Started at 2, -2, and went 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So this one is just, they've translated all of them. Again, that's not always the case in these kind of problems. Some of them, they might have one that was translated. They might have another one that was narrowed or widened. They might have another one that was reflected, and trying to see if you knew what translated meant. But in this one, all 4 of them were just sort of slid around the graph, which is what translated is. And the only one that has been moved up at all is A. So that's another thing they might do, is they might have a couple that were, both translated up, but say if you didn't count out the vertex, like say you didn't count the vertex here, one of them, let's say maybe it was translated up 3 and the other one was translated 4. They want to make sure you knew, how to determine how many units up it had been translated. This one, however, the answers are pretty darn straightforward in that it's literally the only one that went up. And that's A. A is my answer. Hey guys, this video was helpful or useful in any way, please feel free to let the algorithm know about it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, even buy me a coffee if you're so inclined. Links for that down below as well. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.